Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So today's video we're making some crispy fried shrimp. I know I said that a lot, but this is good. This is bomb. This is delicious. Okay, so stay tuned to see it and be sure you are subscribed if you're new, and let's get started. Alrighty, to get started, we're using about 12 ounces of deveined and deshelled shrimp. I removed the shell and I left the tail because I want it to be nice and look like a restaurant style type of shrimp. I left the tail for decoration, and this is it. I just clean it with some white distilled vinegar and rinse it off. That's basically all I did to it. Okay, now we're going to marinate our flour. Be sure you marinate your flour. Like, it's not only the shrimp, you need the flour, the breading to be really tasty. So I am going to add ground black pepper, and I'm using all-purpose flour, by the way. I am using smoked paprika. This will not only give it a nice color, but it will give it a nice flavor as well. And I'm using Creole seasoning. I am in love with Creole seasoning. I will be adding some Old Bay seasoning as well. I'll be adding Old Bay right now. And I am adding some ground thyme. And as well as some salt. Now we're going to give this a quick mix until all the ingredients are well combined. And we're going to put that aside, and we're going to marinate our shrimp right now. For the shrimp, I am using the same exact seasoning, except I will not add any salt to the shrimp. So I am using Creole seasoning, smoked paprika, pepper, thyme, and the Creole seasoning as well. No salt. And give that a quick mix. Alrighty, now I am using 2 large eggs, and I will be adding buttermilk instead of regular milk. Alright, this will give you that nice and crispy texture. So I am using buttermilk instead of regular milk. I know it looks weird, but it's fine, guys. It's fine. It's just you need to mix it some more, okay? Alrighty. Now let's get started. Be sure you're not using both hands. You're using one hand for wet ingredients and the other for dry ingredients. Do not mix and match it, or you're gonna end up with a blob of flour on your fingers. We don't want that. But first of all, I am going to add the shrimp in the flour. You can do that for chicken as well. Just use chicken seasoning or any of your favorite seasoning, and do not forget to order your Island Vibe seasoning. The link will be down below for chicken and beef and pork and anything else, even shrimp, but I didn't use it today. So I am going to add the shrimp and the flour. I usually do a few at a time instead of doing it one by one. That will save you some time. Now I will be using the other hand. I am dumping the shrimp, soaking the shrimp in there and let it drip for a little bit and put it back in the seasoned flour. So I am going to do a few, like I said, to save some time. One thing that I noticed, once you putting the flour, it's good to kind of squeeze the flour, not squeeze it too hard, but kind of squeeze the flour with the shrimp. That will give you a nice texture. You will see all that flour layer, just like I'm doing now. You will see a nice crust, a nice layer on the shrimp when you do it that way. Just kind of squeeze it a little bit, not too much, just to pat the flour so the flour can stick on the shrimp. Okay, so I am going to do it one more time. Just add the rest of my shrimp in there and add it back to the flour. And now I am using my flour hand to drop the flour or mix the shrimp with the flour. Just give it a quick squeeze, just like I'm doing right now. Yeah, you will get a nice crispy shrimp. Do it for chicken too. Chicken will look bomb. And this is how they look. I am going to fry them right now on 350, I believe 350. And I fry them for, that's the first batch that I fry. I am going to add the second batch. I fry them for about 10 to 12 minutes. Okay, all right, now time to add the second batch. Like I said, I am going to fry these on 350 for about 10 to 12 minutes. And one quick tip for you guys who want to make shrimp or any other fried meat to look very nice and golden and not too dark, be sure you're using fresh oil and not oil that you already used. That way your meat will come out nice and clean and very nice and golden brown. And once they're done, this is how they look. Nice and crispy. They have a nice golden brown color to it. This is it. Yes, it's very crispy. You see that breading? Yes, this is restaurant style shrimp. Make this at home, and it's so easy to do. That's the thing. It's really easy to do. It's super easy. It won't take you long at all. So give it a try. Let me know how you like it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. As always, be sure you comment, like the video for more videos like this one. If you like it, I'm going to be able to see that, oh, that's what they like. Let me make more of these type of video. And as well as sharing the video, please subscribe if you are watching me for the first time. Thank you for watching Island Vibe Cooking, and I will see you guys on my next video. Bye.